Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable the feature that lets people find your X, formerly Twitter, account using your email address right from your PC. This is especially helpful if you want friends, colleagues, or contacts to easily discover and connect with you on X. Let's get started with the latest update. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Once you're logged into your account, look to the left-hand menu and find the More icon. It usually appears as 3 dots. Click on it to expand more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Next, find and click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your information is shared and who can interact with you on X. Within Privacy and Safety, scroll down until you see Discoverability and Contacts. Click on this option. Here you'll find settings that determine how people can find your account. Now, look for the option labeled Let People Who Have Your Email Address Find You on X. There will be a checkbox next to it. To enable this feature, simply check the box. This allows others who already have your email address in their contacts to find your X account more easily. That's it. You've now made your account discoverable by email address. This can help friends and acquaintances connect with you without having to search through countless profiles. If you ever want to turn this feature off for more privacy, just return to the same setting and uncheck the box. X gives you the flexibility to adjust your discoverability as you see fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on getting the most out of your X experience.